In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an animated map. I'm in Canva, so the first thing I'll do is go to Video, click on that, then you can choose any of these. I'll use Landscape, so I'll click on that. Next, I'm going to come up here to Elements and search for Maps. Go to Graphics, and let's look around. So after looking through here, I didn't find anything I wanted to use, so I went to Creative Fabrica and found this US map. I'll drag it in. There we go. And I'll move it like that. Next, I'll add a blank down here. And I'll make it blue. I'm also going to go to Videos and search for Water. I'll try this one. Actually, I don't like it, so I'll search for Ocean. I think this one will work, and I'll shrink it a little bit to match that, and click Done, and then I'll put that in there. Next, I'll click Edit. Okay, so now there is some movement going on in the water. You could change that out if you wanted to, but I'll keep that for now. Next, I'll go to Elements and go down here to Shapes. I'll take this line right here and I'm going to make it bigger, just like that. And I'll also add a curve to it. So pretend we're going on a trip, and I want to go from California to Louisiana. There we go. So I've got that, and then I'm going to click right here on line end and put an arrow there. On the other end, I'll do the same. And now let's animate it. I'll click on Animate. So I'll take this and pull it over here like this. Next, I'm going to click on Animate. You can roll over these effects and see what they do. I'm going to choose a wipe and slow the speed down. You can also change it from one direction to the other. There you go. And that's how you do it. Now, this could be a really good effect if you needed it for a presentation, a video, or something else. So this is how to animate a travel map in Canva. So come in here and play with it and see what you think. I think you'll have fun trying this animation.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.